Hello, this is Sijo from SME. Hope all are fine. Today I'm going to set up a virtual lab. I need to show you what is the virtual network creation, how we can create a new virtual network, how we can bridge and how we can enable the NAT, and if the host need to talk to the local machines only, in between the VMs only, not to NAT or not to bridge. So here we are creating the NAT search, sorry, the network search. So you go to edit file. This is a VMware Workstation 15, and it's go to edit, go to virtual network editor. Before that, I just need to show you the NIC adapters which I'm having currently. It's installed. So you can see here, this is the network adapter cards installed. So I have a Wi-Fi connection connected to this particular network, and I have a network LAN which is connected, which is not connected. So I'm getting an IP from a wireless router which is configured here, and yeah, I'm getting an IP from the wireless router. So this is the details that I collected from the machine collected from the Wi-Fi router. So this wireless is connected to the Wi-Fi router, and I got an IP from that router. So I'm just showing this NIC because we are going to bridge with this network card, then the NAT and the host only network we are creating it here. So here, when we go to the editor, the virtual network editor, I will go again. It's edit, virtual network editor. So we get a window. In that we can see the available network create, and which is available. Yeah. So I'm going to create a bridge network and the local host network and the NAT network. So yeah, I'm going to remove this. Okay. So yeah, so you have to click on that network and select which network you want to bridge. Okay. So I have already one VMNIC 0 which is connected, the one. So you just need to create an add network. So you'll get like this way. You have to select the wireless router which is connected to the wireless router. So I'm bridging my network into the virtual switch, basically. Switch name is VMnet 0. So I bridge it and I say that okay, whatever traffic comes through the wireless network, you know, or the virtual machines comes through this wireless need to be bridged to the wireless router. So yeah, I selected the wireless router and I mentioned nothing. I just selected this one and I say okay. So it will create a bridge network to the wireless router. So once we have the connection, you have to go to the virtual machine which you created, go to settings, select the virtual network adapter card, and select the bridge network which you created, which is VMnet 0, and say OK. So we have the machine here. I just go to the login. So once you log in, you'll be able to see the IP which is which received from the wireless router. So that's the way how we bridge the network with the network card. So if I selected the wireless card, instead of that you can select into the LAN network. So it will bridge into the LAN network card. Okay. So go to activities. Let's go to the card. I'm just verifying that I got the IP. So IP. So I received the IP from the wireless router. Yeah. So this is talking directly. The gateway is talking to the wireless router. So basically this is a bridge, and you can see my IP on this computer. IP config. So this is my IP here, and I will be able to ping to the IP. So which is 192.0.194 ping 192.168.0.194. So this is pinging to the physical IP. So whatever physical IPs I'm having in this network, I will be able to ping from this virtual machine. So this is the bridge configuration. Okay, hope you understand. Now we'll go to edit virtual network editor. So next is NATing. So basically we will get an IP and it will NAT into it's not, yeah, the bridge. So NAT into which IP? So it will NAT into, yeah, the NAT settings. I can go there and I selected the DNS settings. So the NATing happens here, and shared host IP addresses with VM. So it will just NAT into the available internet connection. Now the next is host only. So if you selected the host only, it will be able to talk only to the VMs and the host machine, which is this one. It will not be able to talk to the router or other physical machines available in the network. So if you go to the VMnet, and I selected that as the host only network, so it created a subnet details for us. Select the subnet, whatever you need, or you can edit the subnet. And yeah, if you need to enable the DHCP, you can enable the DHCP and set the starting IP and the ending IP and the lease interval. Then just say OK, then press OK, then yeah, apply and OK. So once you did this, the VMnet 3, it is the local IP. So whatever IP we give, that we can give to this one, and the DHCP will take it, and in between these VMs they will be able to talk. So that's the host only network. Okay, so here I will create a host only network which is 192.168.0.series. So I just go to this one, and 192.168.0.series. So this is subnet IP. In the DHCP settings, I just go to 192.168.0.128.0.254. I'm just giving it DHCP settings. Okay. So whatever network, whatever PCs I connect into the VMnet 3. I can assign an IP which is come under this subnet, and this will be able to talk to each other. Okay, cool. So here I can change into the network. Yeah, as we all know, like changing to VMnet 3 like the same way. Yeah, this machine. I'm just changing the VMnet 3 to, so yeah, the link to VMnet 3 and say OK. I'm just logging in so that I can see what the current IP is. Yeah, so this IP, the current IP is 200, and yeah, let this come. Yeah, so we'll try from here, pinging it to this PC. So before that, I will just go to the network interface. You can see a VMnet 3 is created here. An IP which is created. Yeah. Yeah, because this is the host only. Yeah. So the host only, you will see this network, what the network is. Yeah, so you can see this VMnet, it's connected to 0.1, it took an IP. Okay, so yeah, this one, what is the IP? it is IP ADDR. You can see this IP is 192.201, correct? So I'm just trying to ping 192.68.0.194. It's not pinging because it needs to connect and reconnect it. Just reconnect the details, like, you know, because we changed the network switch, but it need to just do a reconnection to the separate network, the new network. Just do this, then we'll go here, try to ping. What is the IP? 192.168.0.200. It's a 200. Let's 200. Yeah. So this is the host only network. This is the host only network, and this will not be able to ping to the internet because it's not talking to the wireless network or any bridge network. So if you need an internet connection, you have to bridge the network. So the same device, I'm just changing it to the bridge network. Yeah, so this is the bridge network where I'm having internet connection configured. I'm changing this to the bridge network where the wireless network card is bridged. So here you can see, yeah, I'll just change it to custom set, bridge it. Yeah, so here, let me see now. Yeah, so here, so now it's talking to the internet. I will be able to ping to google.com. You see, I'm getting the response. So if you need internet connection in your virtual machines, you have to bridge the network, and you can make sure that it's connecting properly. So this is the chapter which I'm winding up here. The network connection, how we give our lab our network connection. So bridge means we can bridge the network into the external network. We can NAT it. If you're using NAT, we can NAT the IPs and the host only network. So these are the network available. Okay, cool. See you on the next video.